Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to change the link of a QR code in Canva. If we need to update our QR code to point somewhere new, we will walk through the simple steps to edit and replace the link. On the Canva dashboard, all we need to do is click on our QR code. From here, we just click the three dots and then click Delete to remove the QR code. After deleting the QR code from our project, we can now add a new one with a different link. To do that, just click on Apps on the left side of the dashboard. From there, we need to search for QR code. Once we find it, we select the QR code option and enter the new link. For example, if the old link was YouTube, we will replace it with Facebook. Then we simply generate the QR code, and there it is. We now have our new QR code with the updated link. That is how we update a QR code link in Canva. It is a quick and easy way to keep our designs current without starting over.